I spent 30 days researching top-rated spin scrubbers, and I found that price has almost nothing to do with performance. In fact, the 5 products I selected all performed better than another model that cost 3 times as much. Not all spin scrubbers are built the same. Some slow down under pressure, some lose battery power fast, and some just feel cheap. But these 5, they performed well in all my real-world tests. And trust me, my #1 pick completely surprised me. As always, you'll find all the product links in the description below. So let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Bomves electric spin scrubber. First of all, it comes with a powerful 5000 milliamp hour battery that takes around 3 to 4 hours to fully charge. And once charged, you can use it for up to 90 minutes continuously, which is more than enough for deep cleaning your bathroom, kitchen, or even outdoor areas. The scrubber comes with 3 adjustable length options: 12 inches, 43 inches, and up to 54 inches. This means you can easily clean bathtubs, floors, windows, and even ceilings without bending or kneeling. When it comes to cleaning performance, the scrubber offers dual speed modes. The low speed runs at 250 RPM for regular cleaning, and the high speed goes up to 350 RPM for tougher stains. Switching between speeds is simple. Just long press the button for 2 seconds. It saves a lot of time compared to manual scrubbing. Another big advantage is the 8 replaceable brush heads. These different attachments allow you to clean tiles, grout lines, bathtubs, glass, car wheels, and even wooden surfaces without scratching them. The bristles are soft but durable, so you can clean with confidence. It also features an IPX5 waterproof protection design. You can safely use it in humid environments and wash the brush heads with water. However, keep in mind that you should not fully immerse the main body in water. In terms of price, this model usually comes around $35, which makes it one of the most budget-friendly options on this list. Now for the downside. The noise level is slightly noticeable at around 70 decibels, and while it's waterproof for splashes, it's not fully submersible, so you do need to be careful during use. But overall, if you're looking for an affordable electric spin scrubber with strong battery life, adjustable length, and multiple brush attachments, the Bomves is a great entry-level choice. And for the best deals and exclusive coupon codes like Temu, Hostinger, and AliExpress, visit our website, couponoffer.net. At number 4 on our list is the Leebein electric spin scrubber. If you want something more powerful and quieter than basic entry-level models, this one definitely steps things up. This scrubber is powered by a 30-watt motor with 2 speed modes. For regular daily cleaning, you get 350 RPM, and when you need extra power for stubborn stains, it boosts up to 450 RPM. Even at high speed, the noise level remains below 50 decibels, making it far quieter than most scrubbers in this category. Another big highlight is the included 7 different brush heads. Whether you're cleaning bathroom tiles, kitchen counters, grout lines, bathtubs, or even car wheels, you have the right attachment for the job. The bristles are made from high-quality PP material, which means they're tough on stains but gentle on delicate surfaces. When it comes to design, Leebein really focused on comfort. The stainless steel handle is extendable from 12 inches all the way up to 50 inches, so you can easily clean floors, ceilings, or hard-to-reach corners without bending or kneeling. And at just around 1 pound, it's lightweight enough for seniors or even teenagers to handle comfortably. Battery life is also solid. With its 5000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, you get up to 90 minutes of runtime on a full charge, and it takes about 3 hours to recharge. Since it's fully cordless, you don't have to deal with messy cables while cleaning. It comes with an IPX7 waterproof rating. That means you can safely rinse the brush heads under running water after use. Priced around $36 on Amazon, which makes it an excellent value considering the stronger motor and quieter performance. Now for the downside. Compared to ultra premium models, it doesn't have advanced torque measurement features. But overall, if you're looking for a powerful, quiet, and lightweight electric spin scrubber, the Leebein is a serious upgrade from basic models. At the 3rd spot on our list is the TUYU electric spin scrubber. First of all, TUYU designed this scrubber to save both time and effort. Compared to traditional manual cleaning, it can cut your cleaning time almost in half. This scrubber is surprisingly strong. It offers 2 adjustable speed modes. The low speed runs at 350 RPM for everyday cleaning, and the high speed goes up to 450 RPM for tougher stains. When paired with a good cleaning solution, it handles bathroom tiles, grout, bathtubs, floors, and even toilet areas much more easily than manual scrubbing. Another major advantage is the IPX7 waterproof rating. That means you can safely rinse the unit under running water without worrying about damage. Just make sure everything is properly sealed before washing. The TUYU scrubber comes with 4 replaceable brush heads, including a hard flat brush for large surfaces, a corner brush for curved areas, a small detail brush, and a pointed brush for tight gaps. The bristles are durable, resist shedding, and won't scratch delicate surfaces, which makes it suitable for kitchens, bathrooms, windows, and even car cleaning. For comfort and convenience, it features an adjustable stainless steel extension rod that expands from 26 inches up to 45 inches, so you can clean high walls or low floors without bending or kneeling. One feature that makes this model stand out in this price range is the LED battery display. You can clearly see how much power is left, so you're never surprised by a dead battery mid-clean. It uses USB-C fast charging, and the 2,500 mAh battery provides up to 90 minutes of runtime on a full charge. As for the downside, compared to some higher-ranked models, it comes with only 4 brush heads instead of 7 or 8. Also, the battery capacity is slightly smaller than premium competitors. Priced at around $35 on Amazon, the TUYU electric spin scrubber delivers strong performance, waterproof durability, and smart features at a budget-friendly price. At the second spot on our list is the VigorDay electric spin scrubber, a powerful, practical option that offers one of the best feature balances in its price range. Let's start with the battery. This scrubber is powered by a 3,000 mAh rechargeable battery, delivering up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning on a full charge, easily enough for a full bathroom or kitchen deep clean. It also includes a digital battery display, so you always know exactly how much power is left. And with USB-C charging, recharging is fast and convenient. Now, one of its biggest strengths is versatility. This model includes 7 different brush heads designed for various surfaces like bathtubs, tiles, toilets, stoves, car interiors, and tight gaps. Instead of switching tools constantly, you can handle almost every cleaning job with one device. In terms of performance, it offers dual speed operation ranging from 350 to 420 RPM. The lower speed is ideal for delicate surfaces like wooden floors, while the higher setting easily cuts through stubborn grime, soap scum, rust, and grease. This flexibility makes it suitable for both light maintenance and heavy-duty cleaning. Comfort is another highlight. The adjustable telescopic handle extends from 12 inches up to 54 inches, allowing you to clean ceilings, deep bathtubs, and low floor corners without bending or kneeling. Combined with its lightweight design, it significantly reduces strain on your back and shoulders. It also features an IPX7 waterproof design, meaning it can safely handle splashes and damp environments like bathrooms and kitchens without damaging the motor. Priced at around $39 on Amazon, the VigorDay electric spin scrubber delivers strong battery life, smart features, multiple brush attachments, and solid cleaning power at a very reasonable price. And finally, at the top of our list, we have the HOTO Flexi electric spin scrubber from HOTO. And this one truly earns the best overall title. First, let's talk about flexibility. The HOTO Flexi features 5 adjustable head angles and an extendable handle that expands from 14.3 inches up to 53.8 inches. This allows you to clean ceilings, tight corners, under furniture, and deep bathtubs without bending, kneeling, or straining your back. Now, here's where it really separates itself: power. With 4 Newton-meters torque powered by HOTO's DuraSpin technology, this scrubber delivers up to 4 times the cleaning force of standard models. Hardened soap scum, mineral buildup, and stubborn grime are removed quickly with minimal effort. It also includes 8 specialized brush heads, including a ball brush for bathtubs, flat brushes for tiles and walls, and softer brushes for delicate surfaces like glass. You won't need extra tools. Everything you need is included. Another premium feature is the auxiliary controls built into the extension handle, allowing you to adjust speed without bending down or stopping your workflow, a small detail that makes a big difference. Build quality is excellent. The aluminum alloy body is lightweight yet durable, resistant to cleaning chemicals, and designed with a clean, screwless finish. The magnetic brush head system makes swapping attachments fast and effortless. Battery life is equally impressive, offering up to 110 minutes of runtime along with a smart battery display. And with an IPX7 waterproof rating, you can safely rinse the unit under running water after use. Yes, it's more expensive than other models, priced around $99 on Amazon, but considering the torque power, premium materials, long battery life, smart design, and unmatched flexibility, it fully justifies the price. If you want the most powerful, flexible, and well-built electric spin scrubber for 2026, the HOTO Flexi is our top recommendation. Now let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I will reply to your comment. And hey, I put a lot of effort into this video to help you pick the right electric spin scrubber. So if it helped you even a little, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. It really motivates me to create more helpful content for you. All the Amazon links with the latest pricing are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.